I think, FGI was one of the first ones to start with drones in Finland. We were starting early 2000 to study what possibilities in land surveying tasks we can do with drones. And basically it was all about money. If we would employ planes or helicopters, it was really, really expensive to do that. And what it went on, we went on small research-based development with, these are going ahead. We developed drones by ourselves. We ordered them from China, from our Chinese partners, and there were small groups in Finland who built up or designed this kind of special drones, where we had basically cameras or video cameras on board of the drones in the beginning. And usually those drones crashed several times. So it always meant that we had a huge expensive camera and it crashed, and then we got to buy a new one. But in due time, they got more better, the drones. We had some really professional IMU and GNSS systems on board of them. And then suddenly, we started to have companies producing these drones also in Finland and in Europe. And one of really drastic increments what we had was that we had Drone Finland, supported by Tekes at that time, and we got quite a bit amount of money on that, and that was boosting. And the whole aim was to advertise as well to all Finnish partners what the drones can do and what the companies can get involved and how to get involved in this business area. And I think great innovations are coming through. I think VTT was one of the ones who developed a spectrometer, tiny small spectrometer that was meant to go on Mars mission. Well, it never went to the Mars mission, but we have flown several times this small spectrometer in drones, and it went to the Aalto satellites. So it's been in space, though. And it is a very successful and powerful element. So through that, also, we were the first one to have a mini UAV and a laser scanner on top of that. And with a laser scanner, you can do 3D environments. And there's been quite a few spin-off from our company who have done, like the first experiments for the post delivery that was done by Sharp Shape. That is a spin-off of FGI. In order to support precise signals, we have developed a FinPOS system that is a RTK correction to GNSS signals provided in Finland, where you can go up to less than centimeter accuracy in some parts of Finland, but every part of Finland less than 10 centimeter accuracy. And this is currently on evaluation by the Parliament of Finland, whether we can provide it free of charge to anyone who wants. Hopefully it can be. This is a massive enhancement. So what we can do with drones, I think you have seen all of these. You can have a fancy 3D environments. And just to say, we are hosting the National Topographic Database, the maps of Finland. Currently, this is not just a 3D model. This is what the new topographic maps starting 2020 will look like. So we will have a 3D party there. The maps are not anymore on paper. They are digital form, and the users can really modify them real time to look what they want. And maybe in the future you can go inside the buildings as well. This is a big development going on. Of course, like we were talking, the precision agriculture, precision forestry, these are the huge businesses with drones. You can assess which part of the trees will be cut down, which part of the trees is going to the paper mill, which trees are going to the sawmill. and you can do these kind of measurements. And they are utilizing more and more these laser scan drones all over the business. In this harvester, there's a human still on board, but this year we tested first time together with Ponsse harvester that was without any human over there. And there was drone patrolling over the area where the animals or humans are going close by so that it will close down the business. So drones again, everywhere. Agriculture, this I hope Eija has shown you already. But this is a massive multi-billion-dollar business. There's a massive amount of information that, like it was shown by Luke, is obtained by drones. You have tractors and vehicles going on the field, doing that while drones are observing what is the need for watering, what is the need for pest control, what is the need for putting some stuff on the field to enhance the growth. So there's multiple tasks that you can do. And there's, of course, the cloud computing or the IE, which will make decisions when to order the tractor to go over there and check out the situation. So this was my short presentation. I mean, the drones are really in our future, and they are part of the business already now. Thank you.